Seeing the dreaded HDCP error on your Chromecast? Don't panic. This quick guide will help you fix it fast. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to channel for easy tech fixes. Today, we are tackling the Chromecast HDCP error that prevents your content from playing properly and showing you exactly how to resolve it. Method 1. Check the HDMI connection. A poor or loose HDMI connection is one of the most common causes of HDCP errors. Ensure the cable is firmly connected to both the Chromecast and the TV or monitor. Check the cable for damage or loose ends. You can try switching to a different HDMI port or use a new cable if needed. Method 2. Check the compatibility of the content. A Chromecast HDCP error usually means your TV or connected devices like a soundbar or receiver don't support HDCP, which is a system used to protect copyrighted content. This can cause the screen to go black or show a message that the content cannot be played. Check if the content or app you are trying to stream is compatible with your device, as some shows, movies, or apps may require HDCP support to work properly. Try playing the same content on another device like a different TV or monitor that you know supports HDCP. If it works fine there, your current setup may not be HDCP compatible. Visit the app or streaming services support page to see their list of HDCP requirements and compatible drivers. Method 3. Use a compatible HDMI port or HDMI splitter. Some HDMI ports may not fully support HDCP, leading to compatibility issues. Try different HDMI inputs, especially ones labeled as HDCP 2.2 compliant if available. An HDCP compliant HDMI splitter may help resolve issues between devices. Method 4. Adjust display resolution settings. The next thing you can do is try a lower resolution for your Chromecast device. High resolution settings can strain bandwidth or exceed your TV's compatibility limits. To do that, open Chromecast Home and navigate to Settings, then Display and Sound, then select Resolution. Choose a lower resolution and test playback again. Method 5. Clear app cache and data. Corrupted cache files in the casting app may trigger playback and HDCP errors. To fix it, clear app cache and data. Here is how you can do it. Navigate to Settings, then Apps, then select See All Apps. Now select the app you are using and clear its cache and data. If this doesn't work, you can uninstall the app. To do that, go to Settings, then Apps, then See All Apps. Select the app and choose Uninstall. Open the Google Play Store, find the app and reinstall it. Method 6. Check for system updates. Next, make sure that your system is up to date. To do that, go to Settings, then System, then About, then System Update. Download and install any available updates. Restart the Chromecast after updating. Method 7. Reset your Chromecast. A factory reset can resolve persistent errors by returning the device to default settings. Hold the physical reset button until the light changes from blinking amber to solid white, then release to begin the reset. If the issue persists after all troubleshooting steps, it's time to reach out to official support. Visit Google Chromecast support for personalized help. If you have tried all the methods shown here and still can't connect Chromecast to the casting device, you can contact Google support and follow the instructions provided by the experts to fix the issue. And there you have it. Your Chromecast should be free of the HDCP error now. If this fix worked for you, hit that like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense tech support. Have a tip or a question? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching and we will catch you in the next video.